Hello student, today we are continuing our previous chapter resources, land and soil. Okay, and last classes in you have already done your exercises, and today you have to do the short answer type questions. Okay, your first question is, how is land important as a resources? Okay, land is as a resources important. Okay, and here is your answer. Land is very important as a resources, okay, to man and most living beings. You can't imagine without land. Man and living beings also depend on the land. Okay, it serves as a base for natural vegetation. It also serves as a habitat means home for wildlife. That's why land is important as a resource. Okay, come to the next question is, why is soil an important resources of our country? Any country, you can say that any country, soil is important resource. Okay, soil is an important resource of our country because it forms the basis of agriculture. It provides support and nourishment to the plants. Nourishment means look after to the plants. In turns means it returns. Animals and human get food from the plant. You know that where animal and human get food? Plant. We all get food from the plants. Okay, that's why the soil is important resources. Okay, come to the next question. Name the factor which determine the utilization of land. It means what is the factor that determine the utilization of land? Here is your answer. The use of land is determined both by physical factor such as topography. Topography means physical features. Climate, all of you know, and soil types. You have already learned about the different types of soil, as well as human factor also determine the utilization of land. What is the human factor? Such as population density, techniques, human have techniques, culture and tradition. All these factors that determine the utilization of land. Okay, come to the next question. Number 4. Mention the characteristic of alluvial soil and black soil. What is the feature of the alluvial and black soil? Here is your answer. Alluvial soil are formed by the deposition of river. That's why this soil is very fertile. Okay, because of the deposition of the rivers, which can be mostly found. Where is found this type of soil? In northern plain region. Okay, black soil is formed by the action of volcanic rocks and lava flow. It means black soil is formed by the volcanic eruption. That the volcanic eruption. What is the eruption? Lava. Okay, and black soil is formed by the lava. Okay, it can be found mostly in the region of Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra. Okay, come to the next question. Number 5. What is meant by soil erosion? Okay, how is it caused? And here is your answer. What is the soil erosion? Soil erosion is the destruction and natural removal of the top layer of the soil. It is called soil erosion. Okay. And what is the cause of the soil erosion? Natural factors like force of running water or blasts of wind. But the main cause behind destruction of these natural resources are faulty human activity. Due to the human activity that the soil erosion is caused. Thank you. And your homework is that you have to write all these short 5 questions in your fair copy.